Sahih Al-Bukhari 3281, narrated Safiya bint Hoy radiyallahu ta'ala anha. While Allah's Messenger sallallaho wasallam was in itikaf, I called on him at night, and having had a talk with him, I got up to depart. He got up also to accompany me to my dwelling place, which was then in the house of Amma bin Zayd radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Two Ansari men passed by, and when they saw the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they hastened away. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to them, "Don't hurry, it is Safiya, the daughter of Hoy, I, my wife." They said, "Glorified be Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how dare we suspect you?" He said, "Satan circulates in the human mind as blood circulates in it, and I was afraid that Satan might throw an evil thought or something into your hearts." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3282, narrated Sulaiman bin Saud radiyallahu ta'ala anha. While I was sitting in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, two men abused each other, and the face of one of them became red with anger, and his jugular venous swelled. He became furious. On that, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I know a word, the saying of which will cause him to relax. If he does say it, if he says, I seek refuge with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from Satan, then all his anger will go away." Somebody said to him, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, "Seek refuge with Allah from Satan." The angry man said, "Am I mad?" Sahih Al-Bukhari 3283, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If any one of you, on having sexual relation with his wife, says, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, protect me from Satan and prevent Satan from approaching the offspring you are going to give me, and if it happens that the lady conceives a child, Satan will neither harm it nor be given power over it." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3284, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam offered a prayer, and after finishing he said, "Satan came in front of me, trying persistently to divert my attention from the prayer, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave me the strength to overpower him." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3285, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "When the call for the prayer is pronounced, Satan takes to his heels, passing wild with noise. When the call for the prayer is finished, he comes back, and when the Iqama is pronounced, he again takes to his heels, and after its completion, he returns again to interfere between the praying person and his heart, saying to him, remember this or that thing, till the person forgets whether he has offered 3 or 4 rakat. So if one forgets whether he has prayed 3 or 4 rakat, he should perform 2 prostration of sahu, i.e. forgetfulness. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.